In one of my previous video, we discussed about ChatGPT and we cover step-by-step process to use ChatGPT, including the prompts which we can write in order to get a perfect answer from that particular AI tool. So basically, ChatGPT is a generative AI tool, and in this video, we are going to cover another AI tool which will going to generate art by following your prompt. There are lots of videos available on Midjourney, but that is a paid version of creating art. So in this video, we are going to use a free website which is similar to Midjourney and going to create the same kind of art for us. And you can actually download that art onto your local machine also. So let's get started with the video. Okay, so here are we onto our browser and you need to search lexica.art, or you can simply type lexica. The Google search will appear. So you are onto the lexica art, and whatever I am sharing on this particular website, all the functionalities and features are totally free. Don't need any kind of payment or prepayment or free trial for that. So here we are onto the lexica, and you, as you can see, the user interface is quite simple. You can see a perfect logo and all the self-declarative headings like home, so where you can see different kind of art which are created by different kind of people. And you also can see a generate tab, which is again anything you want you can generate here by describing your image and negative prompt. Also there is history role, where if you are logged in, you will see whatever you generated in this particular website, and likes which you get through your art and your account. Okay, so here some of the pro versions are also available. We will discuss it later. Okay, so coming to this, let's start with this. So I am having two things, that is search and generate, and we can search any kind of image if we want. So as you can see, there are different users who provided this art or generated this art through lexica, and you can actually search for this art. You can like this art after login, and even you can edit this art. Okay, so this is the description of any particular art. You can also call it as prompting. So whatever prompting you will give, according to that, the lexica will generate the art. Okay, so let's log in. Here you have two options, like you can continue with Google, or you can even sign up with email, but let's continue with Google for simplicity. Okay, so as I'm already a user, it took me to my profile, so you can directly do sign up in that way. And coming to this, now you can search for any kind of art, but here we are interested in generating any particular art. So let's click onto the generate art. Now, as I already told you that prompt engineering is the most important thing in this AI era, and as a result I have made several videos before this video on prompt engineering as well, which I introduced in a dedicated video of prompt engineering, also in a master ChatGPT tutorial. And in this video we are going to describe how we can create a particular art. Now before creating the art, let's understand the user interface. So here we need to describe our image with a negative prompt, what kind of filter you want. You can take it as a filter or a mask. Here you can see different kind of dimension is also available, and this dimension, varying this dimension would be available. You can also upload the image in order to convert your image or any image into a kind of art. So you can upload the image, it is also free, and changing the dimension would also be free. Okay, so you can having two version of lexica, that is lexica version 3 and version 2. So we are using the latest version, that is version 3. So here are some settings. Okay, let's make it again the same dimension, that is 768 by 1152. Now we need to create a art with green field and children. Okay, childrens are playing into that green field. Okay, so let's generate it for simplicity. Okay, so as you can see, plan is about to end. So let me switch to my another ID so that I can help you with that. So let's copy this prompt and paste it. And here you can see that create art, greenfield, children are playing, and okay, with some mountains around and a small river. I included everything. Let's see what it would gives us. So we are having beach, park, and more ideas also. That is good. Let's see what it would be. Okay, so as you can see, the art are here are two childrens which are actually playing into the greenery, and one river is also there. Some mountains are also there, which I already mentioned here. And we can also download these images. Let's suppose I want to download it. I can simply download it onto this. Uh, so save it. You can open it later and use it anywhere we want. And we can also make some more actions over that. That is, we favorite it, or we can also outpaint it. Let's outpaint it and let's see what would happen. Outpainting is something that generate a wider version of image via outpainting. Okay, so it will create a wider version. So wider version is different kind of by changing some kind of color. As you can see here, there is no birds are there, and in that thing there is something difference in the stones which are on which the children are sitting, and in that case some more birds are also there, and here they introduce some kind of shadow of these children, and that is quite amazing. Means you can also generate these things. Okay, so here we are onto our ideas also. That is beach, desert, forest, city, countryside, and all. Just make it simple. And now we are here onto negative prompt. So here we can give a kind of dark color with less contrast. Okay, so let's generate it through. And dark color means the image would not so bright, it will look like in a dim light. So let's see what it would generate. Okay, as you can see, some dark version is there, and in that image you can see that the sky is a bit darker than what we generated earlier. So this is what the effect of negative prompt, and they also minimize the contrast. So okay, now coming to this our prompt, let's make it more clear. Add some birds, okay, and some playing tools, toys. Let's make it simple. Okay, so here it is also giving a suggestion like what kind of a sky you want. Either you want a beach or more ideas which we can expand and use into our prompt. So here we can see there are few toys. I don't see any toy, but I can see the birds and 2 or 3 images. So let's make it toys. Add toys and 6 to 7 children's. Children with let's suppose blue shirt, make it more accurate, blue shirt, black pant, and a watch in their hands. Okay, so let's see. The lexica will be into generate that art having this children having the blue shirt and a black pant. Okay, black pen and a watch in their hands. So I think, as you can see, my account, my free trial has been come to end, and we cannot generate more, but I hope you get an idea that how we can generate a perfect art using the lexica. And as you can generate multiple images in free version also, or changing your account, which we did in this video also. So this is what the free version of lexica looks like. And coming to history, you can see that all the created image would be listed here. You can download it anytime. You can also change the size of column, like what in one column how many art you want, and you can also search for any particular art. Coming to the likes, so if I do like, it would come here that this one is a kind of favorite, a kind of prioritize art for me. Coming to the account, this is the important part. So here you can gain a membership for faster art creation and also for unlimited art creation. So here you can see that there is a starter plan, there is a pro plan, and there is a max plan. So you can choose anyone which you want and which best fit for your requirement. So you have in a starter plan, you have a 1000 fast generation per month, no slow generation, 2 parallel fast generation, commercial license, image are public. In the pro, you can generate 3000 fast generations per month, unlimited slow generations, and 3 parallel fast generation, commercial license, and image are public. In the max one, there are 7000 fast generation per month, unlimited slow generations, 3 parallel fast generation, commercial license, and keep images private. It has the access to keep your images private. In both the plans, your images will going to be public, so that other user can see that and can use them. So here it is of $8 per month, $24 per month, and it's $48 per month. So this is what the paid version of lexica looks like, and you can create some of the images in free too. So you can start on lexica. If you find it interesting, you can later on buy this. That is why the free version of lexica available, so that a user have a facility to check the website first, generate the art first, then later on they can buy. You can also upload any particular image. Let's suppose you want any particular image, so you can upload it, and as per the image it will generate the art of that particular image, and that is also quite interesting. So if you want your image to be looks like art generated, you can simply upload it onto the lexica, and that will actually create an art of this image. So that is all about lexica. I hope you found this video interesting. Anyone, if you want to generate art for freely, you can always check out lexica for that. Thank you very much for watching this video.